आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें। हमने एक हाई पावर कमेटी को बिठा करके रिव्यू शुरू किया, राज्यों से भी विचार विमर्श किया।
Well, that was exactly the announcement that was made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the occasion of Independence Day, and the announcement that came in of a Diwali bonanza for the middle class. The Modi government, which has launched a tax Brahmastra as they unveil the revamped version of the GST or GST 2.0, which many are now calling it as the Great Savings Tax. Now, today, the entire country, which is celebrating the pre-Diwali bonus, on this announcement that hope that this could help decrease the expenses for the poor and the middle class. However, the announcement soon ended up sparking a bigger political war of words between the government and the Vipaksh. Now, the Prime Minister has launched a fierce attack on the Congress and accused the UPA era-led government of looting the public in the name of tax. He says that even essential food items and medicines were taxed heavily by the erstwhile government. Further, he says that this revamped GST comes after the government slashed income tax as well, making this as a double dhamaka for the people ahead of the festive season.
इस वर्ष सिर्फ जीएसटी में ही कमी नहीं की गई, इनकम टैक्स में भी बहुत कम किया गया है। 12 लाख रुपए तक की इनकम पर टैक्स को जीरो किया गया है, यानी इनकम में भी बचत और खर्च में भी बचत। अब ये डबल धमाका नहीं है तो क्या है? रोजमर्रा की ऐसी हर चीज पर उस कांग्रेस के जमाने में इतना सारा टैक्स लगता था। हालत ये थी कि कांग्रेस वाले बच्चों की टॉफी पर भी 21% टैक्स लेते थे। ये कभी उस समय अखबार में आपका ध्यान गया होगा कि नहीं, वो पता नहीं। मोदी ने किया होता तो बाल नोट लेते।
However, immediately after the reform was announced, the Vipaksh rushed to claim credit for it, while some continue to question it. Several Congress leaders say that the Modi Sarkar has implemented what Rahul Gandhi and his party have been saying for years and asking for a possible rollback. The government, however, has hit back at the opposition, saying that they are spreading negativity at a time when the entire nation is celebrating the reforms.
2016 से राहुल जी 2 ही स्लैब्स की बात कर रहे हैं। इनको या तो समझने में 9 साल लग जाते हैं या अपने अहंकार को नीचे करके फिर राहुल जी की सलाह मानने में 9 साल लग जाते हैं, मुझे नहीं मालूम। अब हमने अभी एक आवाज कल उठाई है, अब इनके पास 9 साल तो बचे नहीं। अब अगले 8-9 महीने में भी, मुझे लगता है वो भी मैं ज्यादा बोल रहा हूं, 8-9 हफ्ते में ये भी सलाह मान ले राहुल जी की तो अच्छा रहेगा, नहीं तो फिर हम आके कर देंगे, चिंता मत कीजिए।
जीएसटी लाया गया 2017 में, ये तो ला भी नहीं पा रहे थे, अब क्या बोल रहे हैं? अब इतना कुछ बोल रहे हैं, ला नहीं पा रहे थे जीएसटी। और जहां तक ये कहना कि राहुल गांधी के कहने पर हुआ है, देखिए भैया, गांधी परिवार के कहने पर तो ये सूर्य चंद्र भी आत जात करते हैं। ये गांधी परिवार ही कह रही तो ब्रह्मांड है, वरना ब्रह्मांड थोड़ी होता। आप बताइए, भारतवर्ष होता क्या अगर गांधी परिवार नहीं होती? ये इनकी मानसिकता है कि सब कुछ इनके कहने पर हो रही है।
So the Mansikta of the UPA-led government that is now being questioned by the current dispensation. However, the Congress has also been racing to take credit, but who really deserves the praise for simplifying and easing the living of over 1.4 billion people today? Let's take a look as far as the track record of both sides are concerned. The GST credit and what is the claim and what exactly are the facts. The claim that has been made that was the UPA government that announced GST in 2005. The fact is that the GST reform that was initiated in the year 2000. Another claim that has been made that when we talk about the fact that the GST reform that was initiated, it was the Congress that deserved credit for the changes. However, the current dispensation is of the point of view that it was the Congress in the opposition which was leading when it comes to protest against GST, and it was the Congress that wanted to boycott the GST in 2017. Then when we speak of another claim that has been put up by the opposition, saying that it was the Congress and their leader Rahul Gandhi who opposed complicated GST. However, when it comes to the current fact that we can say that it is the Congress that voted for the GST in Rajya Sabha in 2016 and 2017. Another claim that has been made that it was Modi government made one nation, multiple taxes, but the fact remains that the old regime had 17 taxes plus 13 cesses. So this is where simplifying when we talk about as far as the GST now is concerned, Gabbar Singh tax analogy that remember was made by the Congress by the time that it was introduced. Now when we speak of the Union Minister Piyush Goyal, in this exclusive conversation with our group editor-in-chief, Navica Kumar says that the country today is growing at a rapid pace as compared to what we were witnessing in the UPA-led era. Hence, he believes that Rahul Gandhi is only jealous of the Prime Minister today as he lacks the understanding and maturity to lead the nation to such rapid progress. Listen in. US President Donald Trump called the Indian economy a dead economy. Rahul Gandhi parroted the same lines that yes, Indian economy is a dead economy. Today, when these reforms have been set in motion, how would you look at the economy and how would you respond first domestically to your opposition audience and then internationally?
मुझे लगता है कि राहुल गांधी जी के पास खुद की समझ और सोच थोड़ी कमी है। राहुल गांधी जी ने समय समय पे हमारे ऊपर अलग अलग आरोप लगाए हैं। उनको ये ख्याल में नहीं है कि जो इकोनॉमी उन्होंने हमारे लिए छोड़ी थी वो 4.3 या 4% पे ग्रो कर रही थी। आज हम विश्व की सबसे तेज गति से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। उनको ध्यान में नहीं है कि उनके समय बैंकों की एकदम कमजोर हालत थी, देश के पास विदेशी मुद्रा फॉरेन एक्सचेंज की कमी थी। वो शायद भूल रहे हैं कि उनके समय एक के बाद एक रोज कोई ना कोई बड़ा स्कैंडल, कभी कोयले में घोटाला, कभी टेलीकॉम में घोटाला, कभी अंतरिक्ष में घोटाला। उन्होंने कोई मौका नहीं छोड़ा भ्रष्टाचार और घोटाला करने का। जिस प्रकार से एक के बाद एक क्षेत्र पकड़कर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने देश को मजबूत बनाया, मैं समझता हूं वो राहुल गांधी जी के समझ के भी बाहर है और शायद उनको ईर्ष्या भी होती होगी।
You think he is jealous?
100%। इस टाइप की पॉपुलैरिटी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के जो है देश और दुनिया में, उससे स्वाभाविक है कि राहुल गांधी जी को तो बहुत परेशानी होती होगी, क्योंकि उनको तो लगता था कि उनके परिवार का ही हक है हर एक चीज पे। उनके मन में तो एक sense of entitlement घुसी हुई है।
Well, sense of entitlement is something that the union minister seems to be suggesting and attacking the Congress party. Nyamika is connected with us. Nyamika, good morning. We have seen how the Prime Minister has reacted, how multiple leaders and union ministers have been reacting. When it comes to the Congress party, however, it is now accusing the current dispensation of reducing the GST Council to a mere formality. But this has now come at a time when this conversation that we had with Piyush Goyal, he's saying that it is the opposition that never had the doom craps when we talk of the economy that now seems to be progressing at a rapid pace.
Good morning, Amita. And it is a big relief which is being given by the government of India to the people of this country, as it was being announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the occasion of the Independence Day that the Diwali bonanza will be announced very soon, and it seems like it is a pre-announcement. A pre-Diwali announcement which is already being made, as now the Prime Minister has also, made this statement that it is going to be a big relief for the common man of this country. However, he has also made several allegations against the Congress party, saying that during the time of the UPA era, we have seen that how even on the essential items it was being highly taxed, and for that reason a war of words has also been erupted between the BJP and the Congress party in particular, as we have seen that the Congress is saying that we welcome this move of the government of India where they have reduced the tax upon the essential items, but they are saying that it has been done very late, as they are 9 years late of making this kind of announcement, because they are also taking credit for all this issue, because they are saying that it was Rahul Gandhi who has been continuously asking the government to reduce these these taxes, as they used to say that GST was a very complicated tax which has been imposed upon the common man of this country, and that is the only reason why Rahul Gandhi had also named it as a Gabbar Singh tax. But now it is the Union Minister Piyush Goyal who has once again slammed Rahul Gandhi for making such kind of statements. He has also stated that it is only because Rahul Gandhi is
the Congress which is crediting the GST rate rationalization to Rahul Gandhi, accusing the Prime Minister of reducing the GST Council to a mere formality, while the BJP has now hit back, calling the opposition as jealous and negative. Thank you very much for the moment, Nyamika.